what do we need as an individual, right? Everybody wants love, respect, appreciation. Same way it applies to our audience, our customers. So even our customers are waiting for the love, the appreciation, right? Now, how you're going to do? So how to be loved or liked by your audience, which is must in any of your business, especially when they are services. So there are only two things which literally captures this likability. The one is attention and the second is appreciation. So how are we going to do this to get attention? So normally we are naturally in a process to inclined or focus towards indifferences rather than similarities. So if something is being done indifferently, we see that we are focused and we are tending towards seeing that thing. So you have to be indifferent. Indifferences are more likely to be attended than the similarities. Number one. And to get appreciated, you have to use the power of complimenting people, right? So compliment can be again done at two levels. One, you can compliment somebody directly in front of them, or you can even compliment them behind them, right? Let's say you are taking a meeting and you wanted to appreciate one of your subordinates or colleagues or even seniors. You can just talk about them even if they are not present. So likability, again, I'll be summarizing it as a factor of two different elements. Number one is attention. Unless and until people are paying attention to what you're doing, it will be all a waste, right? So first of all, you try to get attention. And nowadays people are also talking about the same thing. Attention is the new money. Attention is the new currency actually. Everybody wants to get attention from their viewers, their audience. So you have to do something indifferent to get that attention, and that is why the short form videos and some other juggleries are being done to grab the attention faster of the audience. Correct? Once somebody gets your attention, that means they are now acknowledging you. Obviously, you have to do it multiple times, not just one time, right? So once you are into their minds and they find it valuable, they definitely would be looking forward to more of your content or more of what you are doing in your life, in your business, whatever things you're doing, right? Now, the second part is once they have got your attention, try to start conversating with them and start with complimenting. So appreciation is something which is accepted by everybody. Nobody will tell you that why the hell are you appreciating me, right? But you have to be genuine. Don't just be appreciating people for the sake of appreciating. Get into their business or lives and appreciate them for something which they have done, right? So once you apply these two components together, right, the attention and the compliment, you are most likely to get liked by your audience. And when you are liked by your audience, the chances of further conversation increases and it leads to better sales. So if you are into any of your business, try to implement these two factors, which is one, grabbing the attention by doing something indifferent, and then complimenting, appreciating people so that you are into the top of their minds and they start talking to you. And if everything goes well, if your services and or the product is gelling to what they're looking for, the transaction would happen, right? So remember, number one, indifference create fast attention, and compliments creates more appreciation. Thanks.